Think about the last time you joined a massive Telegram group. If the first thing you saw was a wall of messy text or 20 individual join notifications, you probably felt like it's not professionally organized. Your group is your digital home, and how you greet people determines if they stay or walk right back out the door. Today, we are mastering the TCT Pro Welcome module. This is not just about saying hello, it is about providing instant value, setting the rules, and doing it all with a sleek, professional interface that looks like it was built by $1 million tech company. By the time we finish this lesson, your new members will feel like they have just joined an elite community, and you will have saved yourself hours of manual moderation. The magic starts with the WLC command. You can run this directly in your group or, more conveniently, in your private chat with the bot to manage your connected groups. When you initiate this command, TCT Pro opens a fully interactive setup menu that puts the power of a developer in your hands without requiring you to write a single line of code. To start, you will look for the button labeled Edit Message. Once you click that, the bot will wait for you to send your text. For our example today, I am going to set up a professional greeting using my own custom text. I will type out, "Hey," add an interactive premium emoji, and remember the bot also supports using premium emojis for free. Then, insert a comma, open brackets, write mention, close the brackets, add another comma, and continue with welcome to, then open brackets, write the group, close the brackets, and keep writing the message until I finish, as shown. The secret sauce here is using variables. Notice how I use mention and group in my text. These are dynamic placeholders. TCT Pro is smart enough to replace mention with a clickable link to the user's actual profile and group with the official name of your community. This means you do not have to edit your message every time you change your group name or add the bot to a new channel. Once you send your text to the bot, it will confirm that your message has been saved. But we are not done yet because a professional message needs professional buttons. You will see an option in the menu to add buttons. To do this, you simply follow a simple format of providing the button text followed by the link, vertical bar, and then the color code. TCT Pro supports blue, green, and red buttons. As an example, I'll show you how to do this. I'll start by writing the button text, which in this case is top bet, then add open brackets, insert the link of your choice, and close the brackets. Next, I'll add a vertical bar followed by the color I want the button to appear in. Here, I'll use red. Since I'm adding several buttons, I'll repeat the same process, only changing the information for each button. By adding these, you transform a boring text message into a functional dashboard. Next, we'll change how the button layout looks. In this case, use the Layout button. Click on it, and it will ask you to set the ratios for how the buttons will appear. For example, I set up for buttons. I want 3 of them to be on the same horizontal line, and the last one, since it's a long text button, to be on its own line beneath the first 3. So, I'll use a 3:1 ratio. After clicking on Edit Layout, enter the ratio you want. In this case, I'll enter 3 then space and write 1. Another interesting feature of the welcome message is the ability to edit the timeout, which determines how long it stays in the group before disappearing. By default, it's set to 2 minutes, but you can click on Edit Timeout and change it to any duration you prefer. Since I'm happy with the current setting, I'll just leave it at the default. Now, one of the most stressful parts of being an admin is worrying if your message looks right before everyone sees it. TCT Pro removes that stress with the Test button. Once you have finished your setup, click that Test button. The bot will instantly send a live preview of your welcome message directly into the group. This allows you to see exactly how the bold text looks, how the buttons are aligned, and whether the colors match your branding. It is a safety net that ensures your community only ever sees perfection. If you see a typo or want to change the button layout, you can just go back to the menu, make the edit, and test it again until it is exactly what you want. We also need to talk about handling a crowd. In the Settings menu, you will see a toggle for the summary feature. This is a game changer for viral groups. If you turn summary on, the bot will wait for a few seconds when a burst of people join, and then it will send one single message tagging all of them. This prevents your chat from becoming a graveyard of repetitive welcome posts. However, you can also choose to turn the summary off. When you do this, the bot behaves differently. If 50 members join or are added at once, the bot will only send the welcome message for the very last person who joined. This is a brilliant way to keep the chat clean. Even though the message only tags the last person, all the other 50 new members will still see that welcome message at the bottom of the chat as they enter. They will still see your rules, your links, and your buttons without the group being flooded with 50 identical messages. This gives you the ultimate control over the aesthetic of your community. Creating the perfect first impression is just the start of what we can do with this powerful tool. Now that we have mastered the welcome experience, it is time to focus on keeping the rest of your chat pristine. In our next lesson, I will be teaching you about clean mode, which is the ultimate tool for hiding all those annoying system messages like join and leave notifications to give your group a sleek, corporate look.